What's going on, guys? Traveling Power Rangers fan here with the basic line of Dino Fury figures. Super excited to get into these because I just finished up episode 4 Dino Fury, and man does this season have me excited. So, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the packaging, then I'm going to go ahead and unbox them, show you the figures, then we're going to test out the keys in my Morpher. If you haven't seen my video on this Morpher comparing it to the Sentai version, please check out that video. So, Red Ranger. Here he is, looking great in his packaging. Shout out to Amazon for damaged packaging as always. Comes with this key, a sword, and the figure. $10. Not a bad price point here. Box tells you how it can make noises with the Morpher. Got a bunch of words in different languages, all that good stuff. Logo. Boom. So, that is red. Here we go. Blue Ranger Ollie. Key. The two swords that are Triceratops shaped, looking cool in there. And then, of course, it tells you how your key can work. Ripped packaging again. Amazon, you gotta stop using bubble packaging to ship action figures. Then we get into good old Amelia right here. She's got her little tail from her sword. Then we got the figure. And the key, of course. For some reason there was a sticker on this packaging. I don't know why. Ages 4 up. Looking great. And then we have the newly introduced Boom Tower. His key is pretty cool looking. And it does make sounds in the Morpher, which we'll check out. He does come with a sword there in the back of the packaging. This is one of my only ones that isn't damaged because it came from Amazon DE. German Amazon shipped it in a box. So that worked out nicely. So I'm going to go ahead, unbox these, and then we're going to look at the figures. Alright, here we are with the unboxed figures. We are going to start with red. We're going to start with red, go blue, pink, and then Boom Tower. I'm going to show you the figures, and then we're going to do the keys. So, here is the Red Ranger. Thank you, Morpher, for powering down. These are decent little figures for $10. I think they'd be great, if I had a kid that needed to play. They'll be great, for now on the display, until Lightning Collection can catch up to this being a thing, Dino Fury. So there he is. Blue. He has some neat details on his helmet. I like his swords. I did notice that the swords, the weapons that come with the Rangers, they haven't used yet in the show. So maybe these are their weapons eventually. I don't know. But same opinion here. Neat little, some posability, but not a lot. His feet don't move. I'm definitely going to have to use some stands to get these to stand up the best way. Then we got Pink. Good old Amelia. With her weapon. So they all do have their Morphers, but they're just black, obviously. I wouldn't expect those to be painted on a $10 figure. I really wouldn't. I do notice that her skirt is a little differently colored. Her bottom half is different colored than her top half. And I don't think that's exactly show accurate. It's kind of hard to capture here with the lighting and everything. Or maybe it's just my eyes are bad. I don't know. But there was Pink. And then we got Boom Tower. The enemy of the wave. It will be cool to make a little scene of them trying to beat him to fight maybe. I don't know. I'm intrigued to see what this character turns into here on the show. But that is Boom Tower. So, I will show you, this is the key that came with the Morpher itself. These keys are very lame compared to the Japanese Morpher, I will say. So we'll slip him in. And your punching noises. So there's your key that came with it. Here is the Red Ranger's key. I wish these things flipped so much like they do in the show. But hey, whatever. Some punch sounds. That was Red Ranger's key. Here is the Blue Ranger's key. I do think they look cool from the front side. I do think the holographicness is cool. The back is okay. But it's sadly a little disappointing when I know what the Japanese counterpart did. His punching sound is bubbles, I think. That's fun. So, Blue Ranger key. Now we'll go into Pink Ranger Amelia's key. We'll slip that in. Access the morphing grid. And the punching sounds for this morpher. That's actually pretty nice. Oh. Pink Ranger key. I think I forgot to show it off. So here she is. And then our enemy key that you would think wouldn't even go in the morpher. But hey, let's slip it in. Well, excuse you. It does make sound. Never did I think as a 30-year-old man I would own a toy that would fart. Excuse you, Mr. Morpher. So, those are our 4 new keys that I got now that I have unboxed these figures. And its original key. I think I might have failed to mention, / it just might be good to mention here. So each key has little grooves on it. And that is what tells the morpher basically what sounds to use. So see, like this key has 2 tabs, little tabby tabs there. And that's actually what goes into the morpher and makes the sound. Well, it tells the morpher what sound to make. Obviously the keys aren't making the noises. So that tells me that since the morpher is already out, that Hasbro has actually done some thinking here. And they have the next wave probably already planned out. So hopefully we'll get that in like early summer, since this wave is here and the show is doing phenomenal. Everybody is super excited about it, including me, and everybody over on Discord, everything like that. So many fans are excited about Dino Fury, and I'm excited to see how the season plays out. We're 4 episodes in and it's been exciting. So that has been Wave 1 of Dino Fury toys officially. All in one video, you've gotten to see all 5 of the toys that are out as of now. They have announced already the sword for August, so you can expect me to get that, obviously, and do a review on that when it comes out. But thank you for swinging by this video, guys. If you can, please drop a like, give a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Check me out on all my social media platforms. I would really appreciate a follow everywhere. So you can stay engaged with all the new things that are going on in the world of traveling Power Rangers fan and everything. Hopefully restrictions for COVID are going to loosen up soon and I can travel again. But we'll see. Thanks for swinging by, guys again. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.